When I started trading, my losses were way much bigger than my wins. This is because of this one mistake alone. So maraming pwedeng maging dahilan ng iyong mga malalaking losses kung ikaw ay isang newbie, no? But I will tell you only this mistake alone. And this mistake is the main reason, or ito yung pinaka culprit ng aking malalaking losses when I was a newbie back in 2019. When I was a newbie, I used to be very much excited kapag Lunes na. Tumatambay ako sa stock market kahit walang prior plan to trade. Ito yung pag-open ng chart gaya ng Instagram or TradingView, saka yung trading account ko during market hours, kahit wala akong trading plan. This is a very bad habit. Minsan pa nga, wala akong watchlist eh. Basically, I'm just looking at the stocks with highest percentage change on that particular trading day, or yung mga stocks na nag-break out ang tinitingnan ko. The problem with this habit is that I am tempted to jump into a trade out of fear of missing out, or yung tinatawag nilang FOMO. So without prior planning when to enter or exit, nagiging impulsive imbis na dapat intentional yung pag-trade. So when the trade goes against me, napaparalyze yung aking decision-making process, resulting to huge losses. So, paano ko naiwasan at putulin ang bad habit na ito? Well, it was a long process bago ko naiwasan at naputol ang bad habit na ito that saved my portfolio from being wiped out. So, this bad habit na pagtambay sa stock market kahit walang prior trading plan went away when I started trusting a specific strategy that works for me. Well, you might ask how I was able to trust a trading strategy. You will know how to trust a trading strategy once malaman mo yung trading profile mo, or once ma-discover mo ang sarili mo kung sino ka at ano ka as a trader. Parang lalim, di ba? Well, ganito lang yan. Ako, bilang trader, alam ko na hindi ako pwedeng mag-day trade dahil may work ako at the same time may 5 hours na time difference ang Pilipinas at ang Kuwait. So I have to choose a strategy na hindi pang day trade, kundi mas longer ang time frame. So I trusted a certain strategy because it works for me, it works with my current situation, and it works also with my lifestyle. So when I trusted a trading strategy that works for me, I only open my Instagram or TradingView account or whatever charting tools you use, and also my trading account during live market hours. If I really intend to trade using that particular strategy, and of course, I have a prior trading plan and a watch list. So paano naman pag bakante ka during market hours and then wala kang trading plan? Madali lang yan, guys. Ang daming pwedeng gawin iba. Mawa ka ng YouTube video gaya nito. Share mo yung experience mo sa stock market. Magbasa ka ng libro. So, in other words, guys, wag mong paglaruan yung trading account. Dahil baka masunog yan.